welcome back to Healthy Snackies. Today we are making a roasted tomato mushroom pasta. It is really good. Getting right into it, we are just going to start by cutting up 3 tomatoes. Then putting them in this oven-safe dish. We're going to douse it with some olive oil. Add some black pepper, some chili flake, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and then just kind of rub it in. Popping it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now chopping up some mushroom, a little white onion. We're going to add it to a pan, put some olive oil down, garlic powder, sea salt, and just kind of mix it up and continue to stir, working on low heat so that everything can be timed to be done around the same time. Now, after that 25 minutes, we're going to take our tomatoes out and add some garlic on top and then put it back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to boil some water and add in our pasta. And we're going to add a couple of pieces of butter to our mushroom mix. I got this butter from a farmer's market. Not that that matters, I don't think, but you don't have to add butter to anything. Now when the pasta is done, we're going to add a few pieces of butter. Don't add too much. I feel like if you're gonna do pasta, you're just gonna do pasta. Adding a little olive oil, a little salt, and a little bit of pepper. We're going to stir up that pasta and get a nice base for our sauce. Now, after that 5 to 10 minutes, we're taking the tomatoes out and we are going to peel off those skins. Then we're just going to smash up those tomatoes with your fork until it looks kind of like this. I'm gonna add in a little bit more seasoning, a little Italian seasoning, chili flakes. Mix it all together while it's still warm. And then we're going to add it into our mushroom butter onion sauce. Adding a little lemon. You can take a slotted spoon to make it not so watery when you're putting it over your pasta. I started to do that. The other option is that you can just dump it all in there like I did. The last step is just to add a little fresh Parmesan. My end result was a little watery because I just dumped the whole sauce in there at the last minute. To prevent that, again, you can use a slotted spoon, or you can actually cook the tomatoes a little bit longer than what I did. I did, again, 25 minutes, but I would say 45 minutes to an hour would probably give you the best results. I feel like doing it 25 minutes though, not only is it obviously easier, but I feel like it tastes fresher that way too. So it's really just all about preference. I've done them both ways and they each taste amazing, no matter what. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back next week. Please subscribe and like and comment down below what you'd like to see.